G'day guys, Lex from Project Lex. I've got these tiles that have fallen off here and I'm going to show you how to tile using liquid nails. First thing you want to do is just clean up the surface a little bit. So all this kind of stuff, just get your chisel and just keep going at it till all this is off. So surface to be tiled now has been smoothed off enough, so just do the same thing to the tiles. So well, if you're replacing old ones, then obviously they won't need to be cleaned because they'll be new, but yeah, these ones here have all that on there which is sticking out, so yep, just clean it off like I have done with these ones and then we'll be ready to roll. So by cleaning both surfaces, we're going to get a better bond with the liquid nails. So when you apply it, I'm using a caulking gun, so just do it in a zigzag motion. Stay away from the corners because it's going to fly out. If you do it too close to the edges, you don't need to do it right up to the edges. Just continue that zigzag motion. Then you just hold it up to the surface and get it where you want it. Just push it on and hold it for a couple minutes. That's one tile down. Now we'll just repeat the process. All finished now. So in an hour or two, once it's firmed up a bit more, you can get a bit of no gaps and just put it in between the tiles where the grout should be, and that'll seal it all up nicely and make it all weatherproof and look good. And in case you were wondering what it looks like with the gap filler, just use a caulking gun and run beads of it across and smoothed it out. You can use your finger, or I personally use a baby wipe, that way I don't get all the crap all over my fingers. And I have a baby, so we have them in abundance. But anyway, yep, and the white will, you know, that'll be dirty in a week, so don't worry about it, it'll all blend in soon enough. But there we go, all done. Beautiful.